kitty! Kitty, kitty! I love the kitty! Kitty! Oh, I'm gonna get stuck in the rain. This is gonna suck. Hopefully not, but I don't know. That's not looking too good up there. It's hot as shit right now though. So hopefully it just passes real fast. But who knows? Gotta go over to my job, drop some shit off. Hopefully not get rained on, but it's not looking too promising right now. Hopefully we're going that way, so it's still kind of cloudy over there though. But we'll see. Oh, it's gonna f***ing rain on me. Oh my god, it just got so much colder in like 2 seconds. Oh, we're totally getting rained on. This is gonna suck. Cut to the front of the line. I don't want to get wet. See ya! It's so windy. There's a storm a brewing! Arr, arg. It smells like rain. Might have rained here already. I think it rained here already. Slow it down a bit. Oh, my testicles. Should not wear f***ing tight ass pants when you ride a bike. Rule number 1. Puddles. Alright. Drop my shit off. Now let's get out of here before we actually get caught in the rain. Puddles. It's kind of raining now. Oh, son of a bitch. I thought we'd be able to get it. We almost made it. Oh, I'm gonna get f***ing soaking wet. This. This f***ing sucks. I hope my GoPro's not gonna get f***ed up. It's got that little window cut out of it for the mic. God damn it. It smells like weed. Who the fuck is smoking weed? This dude in front of us smoking weed? He's smoking something? He is smoking something. He's totally smoking weed.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah, he is. Totally smoking a joint. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, sunny skies! Woo!